Due to the semi-dry sump lubrication system, the engine oil level shown in the oil sight glass will fluctuate with the movement of the motorcycle from a vertical position and with the temperature of the oil. To get an accurate reading, follow all inspection procedures closely. To perform an oil and filter change on your Indian Scout, follow these steps. Park the motorcycle on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area. For proper oil drain, use a service lift to ensure the motorcycle is vertically centered. Start the engine and allow it to warm up at idle for at least 5 minutes. Then, stop the engine. Next, clean the area around the 2 drain plugs. Now, place a drain pan under both drain plugs. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. Then, remove the drain plugs and washers and allow the oil to drain completely. Remove the front drain plug first. Next, inspect the drain plugs. The sealing surfaces on the plugs and engine should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Then, install new sealing washers on the drain plugs and reinstall the drain plugs to specification. After this, place a drain pan under the oil filter and turn the filter counterclockwise to remove it. Now, use a clean dry cloth to clean the filter sealing surface on the engine. Next, lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil and ensure it is in good condition. Then, install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then, turn it an additional 3/4 to 1 full turn. Before continuing, wipe up any residual oil around the filter. Next, use a funnel and add the initial recommended oil through the fill port. With the motorcycle in an upright centered position, start the engine and allow it to idle for 30 seconds, and then stop the engine. After this, inspect the oil level by looking at the oil sight glass. The oil level should be at or near the full mark on the oil sight glass. If the oil level is low, remove the engine fill plug and add oil as needed. Do not overfill. Then, repeat the previous step. After an oil change, the low oil pressure indicator may illuminate when the engine is started. If this occurs, do not increase the RPM above idle speed until the indicator turns off. Then, check for leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on your motorcycle and select Oil Life and Service Reset. Select the Reset function and confirm your selection. Finally, dispose of the used oil and filter properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.